This is called The Little House, and it's a classic as well. It's a story of a wonderful little house that was built by a man and his wife, and he told his wife it will never be sold for silver or gold, and our great-grandchildren will be able to live in it. But what happens is the city is encroaching on the little house and the countryside after all of the beautiful seasons it has lived through, and it gets darker, and the little house gets buried in the scenery, and there isn't elevated, and there are cars and buses and people, and the little house feels very lonesome, and even though its windows are cracked, it still has a solid, firm foundation. The great-great-granddaughter rescues the little house and finds it strong enough to be moved back out into the country. And so the little house finds itself back in wonderful, great, beautiful countryside location.